Hello Mzansi, welcome to Ask Khuluma with Pro. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Uyatrenda Thembi Nkosi wakamthembu lesimade kakhulu guys actor kuboshaka ilembe abo deriva yo guys actor ke lo bhudlona abantu abaningi bamthanda ngendlela lesimanga ke sana and I don't blame people ngokuthi bamthande. He's a snack ke sana. So namuhla uGayi bekalobola ke sana bekalobola uGayi kani uyatrenda kakhulu laphana kubo Instagram bantu bayamtheka labe bakhona guys emalobolweni akhe bayamcongratulate kani Mzansi mantombazane guys ava buhlungu ngendlela lesimanga akaze ngikhumbuta ngalesikhathi kushada Questa ndlela abantu beva buhlungu ngakhona aQuesta shada Yolanda but guys dotsi yi-1 ngasishada njani sonke nkosi yami khona lo yi-1 vele lekufuna beyindlondla nqoba wini guys kushado yena muhle Gayi balabaningi bayakhala guys abawuvala imlomo ngaye namhla basho ukuthi ayebo umfana usendani waze wasibetray siyi-country nkosi yami bapha ku-TikTok bantu bayasho ukuthi saze sakhala nkosi yami umile nesimadatha sakhe ke laqeleni kwakhe umlobolile guys bathi if you love it you better put a ring on it and wende njalo ke naThemnkosi wavele wathi wena ngiyakuthatha sewami so Gayi is officially off the market nje uma ngabe wena bosowubukile nkosi yami nqese kuwe uma kubhlungu shuthi sorry ke please subscribe, share this video, comment your thoughts down on the comment section and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.